Hey everybody, my name is Gary Yao, and today I would like to go over how this market is becoming a little bit of a seller's market. Even with low demand due to the higher mortgage rate environment, the low supply of available homes has allowed housing market to continue to line up slightly in favor of sellers. This is becoming a normal market. The insane pace of the housing market has come to an end, and in an instant, the marketplace has shifted to a much more normal, typical speed for the first time of the year. Everyone seemingly has an opinion when it comes to the housing market. Forget the economic models, the data, the charts, the statistics. Most believe that since value have soared up to ridiculous heights, and now mortgage rates have skyrocketed to the highest level since 2008, prices must correct, right? I mean, everything that goes up must come down. Yet, this kind of logic ignores the facts. There is still a huge missing ingredient when it comes to housing. Not enough houses. There's an absurd lack of houses available to purchase. Due to the lack of supply, the housing market continues to line up in favor of sellers. The expected time in the market, that is, the time in between you placing the for sale sign in front of the house to opening escrow, reveals the true speed of the market. It is based upon supply and demand, and the number of available homes to purchase and the number of buyers in the marketplace writing offers. The inventory right now is, today, inventory is 10,000 properties. Last year, it was 8,000 properties for sale. And this is the lowest since we started tracking 10 years ago. In fact, the 3-year average, so between 2017 to 2019 average, it is 13,000 properties. I'm buying. So that means that we have less than 22% today than we have in the average of 3 years in 2017 and 2019. Demand has definitely been impacted by much higher rates. In pairing with low supply, with low demand, the LA housing market lines up slightly in favor of sellers. The expected market time is 74 days to sell. From February 2020 of last year to May of this year, the market has an insane hot market, seller's hot market, with an expected time in the market of below 40 days. All those levels, buyers line up around the block just to see a house. There were very few open houses because it sold too quickly. Multiple offers was an understatement. Instead, homes were procuring 20, 30, or even more offers to purchase. Appraisal contingencies were dropped. Many buyers opt to waive the inspection rights and will ask for no repairs. Sellers were able to rent back their homes for free while they took their time moving out. Homes sold way over the asking price, and home values were skyrocketing even higher and higher. It's just a selling frenzy. Basically, sellers were able to run the table, call all the shots. Now, those days are gone. A slight seller's market means that a seller must carefully arrive at the asking price, considering the home's condition, the upgrades, the amenities, the location, and the overall appeal. Homes that are nicely appointed in excellent condition have that home model feel and priced according to the fair market value will still obtain a lot of attention, pull multiple offers, and in many cases sell above the asking price. For everybody else, well, they will have to they'll have to wait and, well, drop the price to expectation that the market is offering to her. The longer home is going to take to sell if they don't adjust. Sellers need to pack their patience. The market is no longer instant. As a result, more and more homes are sitting in the market. Not surprisingly, 60% of all homes available to purchase today that have been in the market for more than a month. Back in June, it was 43%. Over a third of all the inventory that has been on the market for more than 2 months and are still waiting for the right buyer to bring and accept the offers to purchase. That is a lot of sitting and waiting, considering that 30% of active listings in the market has come in within the last 30 days. Of course, everyone expects sellers in the luxury range to play a waiting game as well. If the regular market is waiting, imagine those who are over $1 million. Many sellers in the most affordable price range are still in the market and waiting as well. In conclusion, the market has undeniably evolved from a warp speed, out of control, to a much more normal pace. However, nobody is used to normal. It is when buyers and sellers must come to negotiate a contract prior to opening escrow. Sellers do not call the shots. There's no more waiving the appraisal or inspections. Sellers do not have the opportunity to rent their homes back from the buyers after closing for free. For the most part, homes are selling for their asking prices. The froth of the last 2 years is gone. It is a slight seller's market indeed. My name is Gary Yao, and I will talk to you soon.